Did you know that dogs over the age of 10 have a 50% chance of getting cancer? Even though the risk increases with age, cancer does not discriminate, and it is important to know how to check your Maltese for warning signs. That's why today's episode, we will share 10 early signs of cancer in Maltese dogs. Number 1, increased drinking or frequency of urinating. Increased drinking or urinating can be a warning sign for certain types of cancer in dogs, as well as other metabolic illnesses. If your Maltese has started to go outside multiple times in an evening, it's time to get this checked. Number 2, trouble eating or swallowing. When your Maltese wants to eat, but can't due to problems chewing or swallowing, they could have cancer in their mouth or throat, though dental issues can also cause difficulty eating. Bringing them in for a comprehensive examination is the only way to know for sure what's causing the problem. Number 3, loss of appetite or weight loss. Loss of appetite or rapid weight loss is a sign that something isn't right with your Maltese dog. Sometimes this can relate to dental or other medical issues, and in other instances, it's an indication of something more serious, particularly if it's out of character for your dog, or is also combined with other warning signs of cancer in dogs. Number 4, evidence of pain. Some cancers, in particular bone cancer, show themselves through your dog presenting signs of pain or discomfort, such as limping and lameness. If your dog is showing reluctance to do physical acts that were previously, it's time for a checkup. Arthritis is also common in older dogs, and there are ways we can make them more comfortable. Number 5, coughing or difficult breathing. If your Maltese has had a persistent cough for longer than a couple of days or has started to display breathing difficulties, this can indicate more serious health issues that need to be investigated. Dogs don't really get colds and coughs like humans, so this could be a sign of cancer in dogs. Number 6, lower energy levels. If your dog is lethargic and isn't showing enthusiasm for its usual favorite activities, then you should be alert and have your pet checked. Lower energy levels can be a sign of different ailments in older pets, many of which can be treated, such as heart disease and cancer. Number 7, lumps and bumps underneath your pet's skin. You can gently run your hands across your dog's skin like this, feeling for abnormal lumps and bumps beneath the skin. Unfortunately, to the touch, you can't tell if a lump is cancerous or not, so it's best to have it tested by a vet. Lumps can form on any part of your dog's body, including between the toes, so it's great if you can train your dog to be able to look at its feet. Number 7, abnormal odors from the mouth, ears, or other parts of your Maltese body. If you notice an unusual smell coming from your dog's mouth or ears, this is a warning sign of cancer in dogs. They may need a dental or have an ear infection. Tumors in the mouth can result in a bad smell too. Number 8, non-healing wounds or sores. Persistent, non-healing wounds or sores can be a sign that your dog's immune system isn't functioning properly or is busy combating another infection. Cancers can also look like non-healing sores. Number 9, foul odor. If your canine companion smells bad, no matter how many times you bathe them, they could have a nose, mouth, or anus tumor. Cancerous tumors often give off an unpleasant aroma, so schedule an appointment if your dog stinks and you aren't sure why. Number 10, exercise intolerance. Your Maltese will likely slow down and become less active as they get older. However, exercise intolerance and lethargy are often the earliest signs of illness in younger dogs. Even if your dog is older, sudden changes in energy levels and loss of interest in once-loved activities warrant a veterinary visit.